Hi, I am Eva from miniOrange. In this video, I am going to show you how you can secure your AWS Client VPN using the miniOrange MFA solution. miniOrange multi-factor authentication solution ensures additional layers of identity assurance to the protected resources instead of relying on only the AWS Client VPN username password. miniOrange provides 15+ MFA methods like OTP over SMS or email, SMS with link, push notifications, Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, hardware tokens, phone callback, miniOrange soft token, and many more. Since AWS Client VPN doesn't support challenges, we support MFA by sending the OTP along with the password. For AWS Client VPN, we support all TOTP-Based Authenticators like Google, Microsoft, Authy, Duo, etc. by providing password plus MFA token in the password field. Methods like OTP over SMS and email are also supported. For this, the user will be authenticated in 2 steps. The user will enter the username and password in the VPN client. The request will go to miniOrange, and after password validation, an SMS and email will be sent to the user with the OTP. Now, since the user has the OTP, they must input their login and the OTP code received by SMS or email. In this way, miniOrange supports a plethora of MFA methods, even for VPNs that do not support challenges. Unlike other MFA solutions, our solution is easy to set up and does not require any external radius proxy module to be installed on top of your AWS Client VPN servers. User submits his username and password, which is accepted by the miniOrange radius server as radius request. The user can be validated against any user directory like Microsoft Active Directory, Azure AD, OpenLDAP, or you can keep users in miniOrange user directory as well. After the first level of authentication, miniOrange prompts the user with 2-factor authentication and grants or revokes access based on the 2FA input by the user. In addition to the 15+ MFA methods, miniOrange also provides risk-based authentication, which is authentication based IP restriction and authentication based on time of access. miniOrange can provide restrictions on basis of user attributes also, like groups and many more. Additional features like radius accounting and radius auditing are also included in the miniOrange feature stack. This allows the administrator to keep track of the AWS Client VPN usage of the users and all of their login events. Along with all these additional features, we at miniOrange make sure that you get all of this with the best in-house price and 24/7 real-time support. Here at miniOrange, we strive to rid the internet of security vulnerabilities that may damage critical information and resources. The problem is widespread, but the solution is one. Please feel free to reach out to us on email or in the comment section below, and we will get back to you at the earliest.